I'm gonna continue this video by decorating my cocoa bar. Yesterday it got really late, so I went to bed and didn't finish decorating. So we're gonna continue the video here. Working on crushing the candy canes so I can put it in this container right here. I went to Dollar Tree and I was looking for just like the regular mints, but I didn't find any. So I'm just gonna have to do the candy canes, which is fine. I should have probably purchased another box though. I just finished washing off the labels from my containers. I just think the sprinkles look so beautiful just plain without the label. So I just have them like this. I just want to show you guys the two different options that I have to display them. Just this little stand right here. These little shelves, you can move them around to different heights. Here's one height, the next one, and then the two bottom ones on the bottom. And then they just have like these little hooks. I originally bought this thinking I wasn't gonna make this anymore, but this one was $49.99. It's from the Spring Shop. The Spring Shop is already 40% off. I just think this is really cute as well. But if you're looking for something more affordable, you can just make your own and make this shelf. So my original idea was to put my hot cocoa down here, and I have 4 of them, so all 4 of them will fit right here really nicely. And then my sprinkles would go right here. Maybe I'll just put this up here as well, just like that. I just think it looks beautiful. But you can also decorate this one and just put your sprinkles. Well, maybe this one won't fit on here, but if you don't have that many sprinkles like me, all of them should fit on here. So all of those fit there. And then I don't think all of these will fit on this. I think only 3 fit. Yeah. And see, this also looks really nice. So it just depends on the look you're going for. This is a lot more affordable than this. I think this was $30 after the 40% off. I just think it looks really nice either way. But I'm gonna use the sprinkles on this one. I'm thinking of just putting the ribbon right here, just like this. I'm just gonna hot glue it. I don't know if I should do the whole thing. I don't know. I think it would look cute, huh? If I would do the whole thing. I think I am.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing, just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas.
How the decor was looking here. So I went to the store and I found a couple of more pieces that I want to show you guys. First, I found this beautiful like gumdrop tree. I thought this was really pretty. I found this at my local grocery store, which is Harmon's. So I picked up 2 of those. I just think they are really beautiful. I love the colors. The colors kind of remind me like of an elf theme. I just think they're really cute, but I think it goes well with the gingerbread theme as well. And I also picked up this new little sign. I thought this would be so cute in a tier tray. So I just want to put this here in the middle. And since it's going to be the coffee or cocoa bar area, I thought these little mugs would look so nice right here with their toppers.
To wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day.
My handle broke when we moved here, and I looked into it and this thing alone cost $30. I thought about purchasing a new one, but every time I'm like about to buy it, I'm like, what do I need it for? I hardly ever use this, so that's why it's broken. I don't have enough space to display all of my hot cocoa bar treats, so I'm thinking of probably moving these somewhere else.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day.
cocoa bar, and I think everything looks adorable. My favorite is having like all of the little treats right here, so my kids can just grab a treat with their hot cocoa. And then over here, the variety of sprinkles. I just love the way it looks. I love like having the little container also for the hot cocoa bombs. I think that looks so cute, so you can just grab the one that you want. And then just like this, the entire display, you guys, is just my favorite. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna give you guys an overview of my entire cocoa bar.